Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I pulled out this guy over here, the Lunar Nightshade from Pat McGrath Bijoux Brilliance collection. It's a holiday collection 2023. If you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? Dipped into the Midnight Iris with my flat definer brush from Sonia G. I'm gonna stamp that onto the outer part of the eyelid here, and then I'm gonna move it upwards very gently. I want it more concentrated on the eyelid here. Dipped into the same color again using the same brush, and again I'm starting here. Oops, there was a little bit of fallout. And I'm starting here on the outer corner of my eyelid and blending it inwards slowly, gently. Now going in with my mini booster with nothing on it. I'm just going to use it to blend out the shadow up here so it's not so harsh. Back and forth here and a little bit of circular motions. Sometimes when doing an eye look, it's a little bit back and forth, but that's okay. I'm putting on a little bit more of the same color here. It's a strange color because it's like purplish, but it also have like a tone of blue. Maybe it's a small specks of glitter. It has very, very, very subtle. It's like more than it's more like a satin shade rather than a complete matte shade. Using the same brush and the same color, and now I'm only using the tip of the brush to put it here on my under eye to use it as an eyeliner on the outer part here and blending it into the other. Like so. Dip my ring finger into the Neptunian Orchid. Mother sure has her way with names. This is the most blue color of the palette, and I'm just gonna put that here on the middle of my mobile eyelid, and I'm just kind of pressing it on, gliding it on and into the more purple shade. On my Ref at 21, I tried to get some specks of the middle shade, but it's not really working. Not really working. I find this palette to be better to work with your fingers rather than brushes if you want the full payout. Now with my ring finger, I have the pale amethyst. Here you can see that there's a very large difference from what it looked like when I tried to put it on with a brush. It didn't really work. And I say pay out, of course I meant pay off. Pay off. With a refer number 3, I'm going to try and see if I can get some of the blue to stick here under the eye. It kind of works. Now trying to see if I can make it work with the pale amethyst. Here. I don't need that much. It's kind of okay. I guess it's there, not a lot, but it's okay. In a corner with the Platinum Moonlight. Same brush, I just brushed it off. Brushed the color off in a makeup eraser. Back with some mascara on, and this is what it looks like. I'm now going to go off cam and give it a pair of false lashes. And here's the look with some false lashes on. I'm now going to go on to the second eye. If you think I look a little white under the eyes, you're completely right. I put on some of the blurring powder under the eyes to catch the fallout. So with this eye, I'm going to start with the same purplish color as before, and I put it on the Blender Pro, and I'm actually just gonna like put it all over the place, kind of. I'm gonna do some sort of a smoky eye, and I'm gonna use this as a base color. It has a little bit more of the bluish tone. Sorry, I keep bending my head. It has more of a bluish tone to it when you blend it out, as you can see. It's less reddish, it's more bluish now. With my Builder Pro, I'm gonna put the same color on the eyelid. Just all over the place here. I'm looking down because I was dipping into the eyeshadow again, sorry. Flat definer, I dipped it into the darkest. I think it's called the Noir Nebula. And I'm using that as an eyeliner for the under eyes here. It seems to be working out quite nice and smoothly. Thank God. Okay. That worked out nicely. Because that worked out so nicely, I'm gonna continue, and I'm gonna use that as an eyeliner for the upper eyelid here, the mobile eyelid. On the middle, I'm gonna put the pale amethyst, and I'm just gonna dot it on, stamp it on here. Like so. I forgot to get this, give this look a highlight from the beginning as I normally do. So here we go. And on the inner corner, and of course I'm using the Platinum Moonlight, the lightest color. I'm gonna do an eyeliner for this second eye look. It's just a black liquid liner. And I'm gonna try and do it as close to the lashes as possible. I still want the eyeshadow liner to be there and not overshadow that. Back with a little bit of mascara on, and I'm now going to go off cam and put on some false lashes. Back with some false lashes, and this is what it looks like. I am going to go off cam and put on a full face of makeup so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. this is it. These are the two different looks with a full face of makeup. I'm gonna put my glasses on and go through what I have on my face. The foundation I'm wearing is the Pat McGrath Labs foundation in light medium 8, and on my cheeks I have on a little bit of the Nude Honey bronzer, and I also use the corally shade from the Bijoux Brilliance Starstruck Splendor palette as a blush. And on top of that, I'm wearing the Golden Nectar highlighter. I hope you can see it. I'm trying to talk over the noise that's here right now next to my apartment, and I hope it's working. Anyways, these are the two different looks, and I like them. I think they're okay. And the palette, I love the color story, but I'm not super excited about how they are to work with, to be honest, but that's just me. I loved the quints from last year, and I think there is a little bit of a difference with these ones, but they're okay. And if you like these colors and you like Pat McGrath, I think that this palette is a lovely palette to have and to play with. And of course you can always use some of the colors with some of the other palettes. I do that all the time. You're not supposed to just stick to this color scheme. You can always pull in some other palettes if you want to, of course. Now, if you love this video or just like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video, and I hope to see you again, and wish you an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.